In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Dimple laugh in CapCut. First, open CapCut. You can use the desktop or mobile version. The steps are the same. Make sure you're signed in and on a stable internet connection, since the feature we're using relies on AI. If CapCut prompts you to update, it's worth doing that before you begin, so all the tools are available. Next, add your image to a new project. Choose a clear portrait where the face is well lit, looking toward the camera, and not heavily shadowed. This helps the AI read facial features accurately and keeps the result natural. Import the photo, then place it on your timeline or canvas. If needed, adjust the framing so the face is centered and the chin isn't cropped out. The AI performs best when the full face is visible. Now, look for AI Stylize. This is CapCut's AI-driven enhancement panel that applies creative and facial adjustments to your image. Open it from the editing tools. Depending on your version, it may appear under Effects or a similar AI section. If you don't see it, try switching to the main editing workspace or updating the app. When AI Stylize loads, give it a second to initialize. Within AI Stylize, go to the Expressions category. This is where CapCut groups facial expression presets such as smiles and subtle changes to cheeks and mouth shape. Expressions are designed to enhance, not replace your original look, so they typically keep skin texture and lighting consistent. From the Expressions options, select Dimple Laugh. This preset adds gentle dimples and a cheerful lift to the cheeks, creating that warm, smiling look without overdoing it. After selecting it, preview the effect on your image. If there's a strength or intensity slider, start near the middle and adjust gradually until it looks natural for your face. Dimples are subtle in real life, so a lighter touch often looks most realistic. If the effect clips or misreads the face, try slightly reframing your image so the face is upright and unobstructed, then reapply. You can also compare before and after using the preview toggle if it's available, making sure your skin tone and shadows remain consistent. When the smile and dimples feel balanced, you're set. That's all you need to add the dimple laugh look in CapCut. With the right photo and a careful adjustment of the AI Stylize expression, you'll get a friendly, natural result that enhances your portrait without making it look artificial.